Good morning, class. As we have already done 3 revisions in English literature. Now, today is the last revision which I am going to take of English literature, that is our revision 4. The revision 4 which I am going to take is from chapter 13, that is Ravi and the Weeping Princess, part 2. Now, in this revision, I am going to take the revision of word meaning and question and answer. I have given you 4 word meanings and 5 question and answer from this chapter. You have to write those 4 word meanings and 5 question and answer in your notebooks. Open a new page in your notebook, that is of English literature notebook. Now, first of all, you have to note down all the questions. Note down all the questions using black pen and write all the answers using blue pen only. Don't use any other pen. Now, open a fresh page in your notebook. First of all, put the heading revision 4. After that, fill it in the index also. And then let us start with the revision 4, that is from chapter 13. Now, let us begin. As I have already told you that today we are going to start with the revision 4, that is from chapter 13, Ravi and the Weeping Princess. In this, what you all are going to do is, first of all, put today's date, classwork, chapter 13, revision 4, Ravi and the Weeping Princess, part 2. You all have to put these headings using black pen only. Don't use blue pen to write any of the heading in your notebooks. Now, first exercise which we are going to do today is, you are going to write the word meaning. I have given you 4 words over here. You have to write the meaning of these 4 words. You don't have to write it like this. You have to write it serial wise accordingly, one after the other. Like, first word is damaged. After writing the word damaged, you have to write the meaning of it in front of it only. Second word is faded. Third word soak. Fourth word is magnifying glass. You have to write each and every word one after the other. Don't write it like this only. Copy all the questions. Don't write just only answers. And now, after completing the first one, that is the word meaning, now let us repeat the words once again. Damaged. Second word faded. Third word soak. Fourth, magnifying glass. Now, after completing the first one, form a line at the end and move to question 2. Question 2 is, answer the following questions. In this, I have given you 5 questions over here. You have to write the answer of these 5 questions. Copy all the questions using black pen, and it is compulsory for you all to copy the questions. Again and again I am telling you, it is compulsory to write all the questions in your revision test. Now, first question is, what did Ravi write on each envelope? You have to write in the story, as I have already explained you this story. That means that Ravi was writing on each and envelope the name of the countries, and the name of the country which he was not knowing, he was writing on it, ask Uncle Mike. You have to write this answer like this only. Question 1 is, what did Ravi write on each envelope? You have to write this answer. After writing this answer, form a small line at the end and move to question 2. Question 2 is, did Ravi find any stamps from China? In this, you have to write whether Ravi found any of the stamps from China or not. You have to write it over here. After writing question 2, after writing answer 2, you have to form a small line at the end as you have done in question and after answer 1. Then we will move to question 3. Question 3 is, what advice did Ravi's father give Ravi? This question is asking that when Uncle Mike have given the old stamp album to Ravi, what was the advice? You have to write the advice which Ravi's father have given to Ravi while sitting on the dining table. I am giving you some of the hints for writing the answers, which will make you easily which will make you easy to write the answers. So question 3, what advice did Ravi's father give Ravi? After writing the question 3, you have to write the answer of this question, form a small line at the end and move to question 4. Question 4 is what was written on each page of the album? In this you have to write what was written on each page of the album. In this you have to write what was written on each page of the album which Ravi was opening. Which you have to write here the album which was being given by Uncle Mike to Ravi. When Ravi was opening that album, what was written on each page of that album? You have to write it over here. So question 4 is what was written on each page of the album. After writing question 4, write answer 4, and after completing answer 4, form a small line at the end and move to question 5. Question 5 is what make of car did Uncle Mike have? In this question, you have to write that what type of car was Uncle Mike having. That what was the model of the car. You have to mention the name of the car over here in answer 5. So, in this you have to write question 5 is what make of car did Uncle Mike have? Now, after writing this question, write the answer of question 5 and form a small line at the end which will show that you have completed your revision 4. Now, let us go through a repetition of all the questions. First question is what did Ravi write on each envelope? Question 2 is did Ravi find any stamps from China? Question 3 is what advice did Ravi's father give Ravi? Question 4 is what was written on each page of the album? Question 5 is what make of car did Uncle Mike have? After completing revision 4, form a line at the end which will show that you have completed your revision 4. Now, homework for you all is you have to revise the chapter 15 from English language book, that is chapter 15 conjunctions, because tomorrow I am going to take a revision from your English language, that is from chapter 15. So pre-prepared with your English language notebook for tomorrow. Thank you.